apparently she was unimpressed. Half of them are barely grown hairs on the chest, and the one she fancied tended to like Dorothy best. Like Johnny, who won't have you, so you're wasting your time. You've just squandered £20 worth of quality wine. Didn't you tell from his Cranston crisp tattoo that he's not interested in girls? And if he was, not you. She walked around like she could get away with mine. Send my wishes over across the city to her, and we'll put out the bunting from this 20-something occupying my head. Softly she sighs as she says, it's like the whole world disagrees with me.